Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a YouTube link to your Roblox profile. First, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account before continuing. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, click on Settings. After the settings page opens, you will land on the Account Info section by default. If you are not on it, make sure Account Info is selected from the menu. Now scroll down slowly until you find the Social Networks section. In this section, you will see different options for linking social platforms. Look for the YouTube field. Click inside the box and paste your full YouTube channel link. Make sure the link is correct and complete, starting with HTTPS. After pasting the link, scroll a little more if needed and click the Save button. Once you click Save, your YouTube link is added to your Roblox profile. Anyone who visits your profile can now see and open your YouTube channel. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.